In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to summarise YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to the video we would like to summarise on YouTube. Then we need to scroll down and expand the description by selecting More. Then at the bottom, you need to select Show Transcript. The video transcript will then show up on a panel on the right. You now need to select the three dots and click Toggle Timestamps. This will remove the timestamps. We're now going to copy the whole transcript like this and then go to ChatGPT and ask something like, please can you summarise this YouTube video transcript for me, then paste what you have copied. ChatGPT has now listed out the 5 main points from the video and provided bullet points for each. We can even customise the prompt to get a different result. For example, I'm going to ask, please can you summarise this YouTube video transcript into 10 short bullet points. Now ChatGPT has done exactly that. That's all we have for this video on summarising YouTube videos with ChatGPT. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.